Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video, I am going to guide you on how to turn off vanish mode in Instagram. Also, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you get notified each time we upload the video. Vanish mode is a great option for privacy conscious users which disables others to hold into messages, photos and videos. Process of disabling or enabling vanish mode on Instagram is fairly simple. To turn on the vanish mode, first tap into your Instagram app, then tap on the message icon on top right of the feed. Tap on a particular chat. From your chat, swipe up to turn on the vanish mode. When vanish mode is on, screen will be black if dark theme is off. To turn off the vanish mode, swipe up in your chat as well. This will turn off your vanish mode. This is how to turn off vanish mode in Instagram. Sent messages will disappear when we turn off the vanish mode. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.